Have you ever heard of AAPI Heritage Month? Do you know what AAPI means? Do you know when that is? So AAPI Heritage Month is an Asian American and Pacific Islanders Heritage Month. It is observed in the United States during the month of May and recognizes the influences and contribution of Asian Americans and Pacific Islander Americans to the history, culture, and achievement of the United States. So let's name a few Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders that you know of. Jason Momoa, of course, and the current US Vice President, Kamala Harris, Jackie Chan, Tiger Woods, and do you know the very first Asian American who went to space? His name was Ellison Shoji Onizuka. He was on Space Shuttle Discovery. He was also on the Challenger, but we don't talk about that. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at mixwithmarie. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So let's start with the bar tools that we'll be using today. You're gonna need a glassware. We'll be using hurricane glass today, and a shaker. This is called Boston shaker that comes in 2 pieces. Or you can use cobbler shaker that comes in 3 pieces. It has built-in strainer to it. And jigger. You can either use bell shape or Japanese jigger. And strainer, it's called Hawthorne strainer. You can also use this one to double strain. And I think that's it. As you may have probably noticed, we'll be using shaker method. So I'll grab one of these shakers. It's my favorite way of making cocktails. Before we start shaking this up, I have a pop quiz for you. Do you know the differences between Japanese shochu and sake? Like, what's the differences between sake and shochu, distilling process? What's the differences between the taste? What's the alcohol content? Let me know in the comment. I'll reveal the answer in the next video. If it comes out. There you go. Okay. And then half an ounce of yuzu liqueur. And then an ounce of shochu. And then an ounce of white rum. And then I have ice cubes in here, so you just dump it in. And this is the fun part. You just shake this up very viciously, and don't forget to smile while you shake. Now we're gonna strain into the glass. And as you can see, I put fresh ice in here. It is important to use fresh ice because it can dilute and ruin the cocktail if you use this ice, which is not shaped properly. It's already broken down. So you're gonna use strainer, or you can double strain it into the glass. And now we're going to garnish the cocktail. It's kind of like a decoration to the cocktail, so if you're at the home bar, you may not need it, but it makes your cocktail look prettier, so I highly recommend it. I'm gonna use dehydrated lime and dehydrated pineapple and some mint leaves. I have some discount code for these dehydrated fruits, so if you're interested, check out the link below. So I'll place the pineapple here in the back, And the lime, it's maybe in the middle. And it's okay. We're gonna fix this. And grab a few sprigs of mint. There you go. And we're gonna add pastel bitters at the very last. This is gonna add a color to the very top of the cocktail. There you go. Tap it to release the oil and aroma. And place it into the cocktail. There you go. And now we have 2 island breeze. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave some comments below. Once again, my name is Marie. You can find me on Instagram or Facebook at mixwithmarie. See you next time. Cheers.